Haru Tokuingoa, born and raised in Mangere, South Auckland. My father is from Tainui, my mother is Ngāpuhi. I am the drummer and co-producer for Vallkyrie, and I also play keys and co-produce for Ladi6. You are watching Matariki Te Ara Hou. I didn't have a lot of information about Matariki at first. It's a Māori tradition, and like many other cultures and traditions around the world that are so respected and are held in high places for people to recognize, I think the same thing should apply to Māori people in New Zealand. I'm glad that as Māori we've got our own traditions around Matariki. We've come from this long legacy of chiefs and explorers and people that are just naturally inquisitive, I think, to the environment around them. That plays a huge role and a massive reflection in my music. I'm always inquisitive about new sounds, working with new people, finding out what sounds good, sounds bad, but just keeping an open mind with music. I'm not just making music for myself, I think I'm also representing the people that have come before me and setting an example for the future of Māori musicians and artists. Okay, we've had a lot of great Māori musicians in the past. We've got some amazing current musicians, and we've also got a great up and coming stream of Māori artists and musicians. And I think where the misconception lies is that, if you don't speak Māori, or if you don't portray yourself as being Māori, then technically you don't make Māori music. However, if you are Māori and you make music, then technically you are classed as a Māori musician. I see the future of Māori music as being an embrace and a connection between traditional and contemporary progressive music. We'll always have respect for traditional Māori music and speaking te reo, but at some point the music has to move forward, just like the generations are moving forward. I love technology. I love using new toys to come up with new sounds and taking new directions upon music. Whether or not that's considered Māori music from previous generations of Māori artists, that will always be up for debate. And it's good that I think it's up for debate, but more importantly, it should be acknowledged that we do have a new wave of artists and musicians now that are creating new music.